Check out this week's must-see movies.
It's my sister.
You're having a Christmas party tonight?
An office manager throws an epic rager to save his failing company in the holiday comedy Office Christmas Party.
Let's party.
It's pretty strange that we keep running into each other.
Maybe it means something.
I doubt it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
From the creator of Whiplash comes La La Land, a romantic musical that will have your toes tapping.
People like to believe in fairy tales.
Of Camelot.
The biographical drama Jackie explores the icon's life in the wake of the Kennedy assassination.
If he's heard the story.
There won't be another Camelot.
Here's this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting below. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.